Hey, welcome to Astro from Home. This is Martin. Today I'm having an unboxing video for you about the Touptek Astro station, which is not in sale in Europe or America yet, but my Chinese dealer was so kind to get me a device that I can have a look and test it. And I have to say I'm not affiliated to Touptek in any way, so that I'm free to say whatever I want. I purchased the device from my own cash, and so now let's get started. So let's open up the box and let's see. Oops, my RCR. You see, fits well. You will see later once more why. And the Astro Station is coming in a nice cardboard box with foam, so everything well done and protected. And we have a box of accessories in the box, which I will open up, showing you what's inside. So we have a DC cable, pretty long, something like a meter or half a meter. Then we have a second one of the same size, and the third one, where is it? Here it is. It's a bit shorter, so half of the length. The first two, and another short one of those DC cables. And as fifth item, we have a DC extension cord if you need to bridge some more distance. And here we have also a USB 3.0 cable that you can connect your camera directly to the Astro station. That's basically what's in the box. Last but not least, there is also this Wi-Fi stick in the box. So I have no idea what it's being used for, because yeah, it's just in there. And here we have the Astro station, how it's in the box. Just the antenna is already mounted, and I have some Velcro on it. You will see later why this is like this in my copy of the device. And here we have the input plus the power button. On this side we have left the PC connection and an SD card slot. Here two USB 3, two USB 2, and then Ethernet port. On that side we have 4 DC out with 12 volt that can be connected anytime, and something to connect your DSLR. That's the Velcro that I need. Let's quickly compare to the Azzy Air. So the devices have almost the same size. That side is exactly the same power button antenna. Then one side with the 4 DC outputs, also the same, and the DSLR connection. The back side also the same with the for USB and uh, Ethernet connection, and that side has a little difference. Both have the USB-C PC connection, but the RCR has a TF card slot, the Astro Station has an SD card slot, and the RCR has some mounting holes. As said, my copy needs some Velcro. This is what because the Touptek Astro Station doesn't have a stationary mode yet, so I purchased a mini router that is running on 12 volt input, and so the Astro Station can directly provide the power for the mini router, and the connector goes into the Astro Station. I have to set this a bit, and now it fits. And so that's basically how I'm running the Astro Station at the moment, to be able to connect it to my Wi-Fi. So this thing also, I put it in. I have no idea why. I just do the product photos, show it like this, and yeah, with the mini router I can operate it from my couch in the living room, and for storage I'm using an ordinary USB drive because I don't have any SD cards that I would use, so I'm just using the USB flash drive, and this works perfectly well. And this is how my device looks like. And thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.